How to mute original audio in Reelshot. Sometimes you want to remove the original audio from a video to replace it with music or a voiceover. Muting original audio in Reelshot is simple, giving you full control over your sound. This guide shows you how. In your open Reelshot project, tap on the video clip on the timeline whose original audio you want to mute. This will select the clip and bring up its editing options, just like this. Look for the volume icon, which typically looks like a speaker or an audio tool icon in the editing toolbar. Tap on this icon to open the audio controls for that clip. You will typically see a volume slider. To mute the original audio, drag the slider all the way to 0, just like this. Or tap a mute button if available. The sound waves on the timeline for the clip will likely disappear or flatten. Tap down or apply to confirm. Now your original video audio is completely silent, ready for a new soundtrack. You've successfully muted original audio in Reelshot. Take full control of your video sound. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot audio editing tips.